Okay, really excited for you guys today. It's been an unusual year, to put it mildly, as we all know. Won't dwell on that. But the most requested app that I've been asked about is a Facebook replacement. As you know, Facebook takes up loads of memory. Basically, when you agree to their terms and conditions, you basically have given them your liver and kidneys and God knows what else. All your security basically pretty much is gone. You can actually clean it up a lot. The size of the app is enormous. It slows down your phone, but more importantly, it is probably your biggest battery hog on any phone, including iPhones, by the way, but it is your biggest battery hog. So today I'm going to basically be talking about a little bit more. I gave a very quick demo some time ago on an app called Maki. Now the good news in today's video, I'm actually got codes for Maki and the other app that I'm talking about, and the third app that I'll be talking about is free. At least it's free at the time of doing the video. So let me explain to you. Maki is what's called a wraparound. It basically takes the Maki from the web, but gets rid of all the ads, tracking, etc., etc. Very, very lightweight. You can use it for other social apps as well, like LinkedIn and so on and so on. Change the themes, change the layout, fully customizable. And let me just show you here. This is on my page on Facebook. I've chosen a dark theme, which works very good, but you can have the original theme. And let me just now go back here, and I'll just show you. This is how it looks, and hopefully if we're going to go to the top, that's my normal Facebook page, which is great. These are, if I tap on here, all my friends. This is all my notifications that I've got. You can also replace Facebook Messenger with this one app. You don't need two apps. And if I then go to the next one, and here we go. And you can see all the settings that we can do here. If I go to settings, go to special, remove advertising, fantastic. Automatic night theme if you only want it to come on at night. You can change the theme. You can download photographs. It does an awful amount of stuff. I don't want to use the word awful, not in this context, because it's great. And the developer keeps on updating this and kindly has sent me some free codes. So in the comments, write down Maki and why you would like it. And first come, first go. First come, first go. First ones to get it, I will reply back to you and then ask you to send me an email, and then I will send it to you, the code, by email. It's the safest way of doing it. So you can actually limit your usage on it. It just goes on and on what it can do here. Notifications, how you get your notifications, general. I've got it so it looks very, very similar to Facebook. You can have it for Twitter or a Twitter theme. Change the font size. Start Maki with Facebook. So the minute I press on that icon, Maki, but you can actually change the icon as well, it will open up in Facebook. You can choose the browser. So I actually have it. So when I go to a link and you open it, it actually opens in my Samsung internet browser, and I've got no ads in that. And again, I've done a demo on that one, a link below. Make sure you watch that. It's undoubtedly one of the best browsers if you use a Samsung phone. But this Maki works on any Android phone, very lightweight, no battery, highly secure, at least way more secure than any alternative, and it really is good. I mean, it's a fantastic program. I think that's about enough on this one. Anything else I want to talk about? That general Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn. You can use the same app for any of these. And you've also got a privacy setting, so you can actually set that up. Let me just show you. So you can actually have it so only you can open it by using your fingerprint. Manage social networks. These are the ones that it'll work on, which is really good for TikTok and stuff like that. And power savings. The next app is called Offline Unit Converter. And again, the developer has kindly sent me some codes for this one. So it's free to the first people that write in the comments, put down unit converter, and you would like this. I will then send you a message. You send me an email, and then I will send you the code for this app. Great little app. It takes up, let me just, in fact, I'll show you about it. What's new? Here we go. So about the app. It measures, it converts everything, 100 measurements, 17 different categories. It takes up no space, literally. It's offline. It needs no permissions, totally secure. Works especially well if you have a limited data and you don't want to use the internet. It's been updated only last month. It's frequently updated. And I go back and I'll open it just to show you what it looks like, which is fantastic. They got a beautiful web page that explains everything to you. It converts everything you want, from dates, how many days and months ahead, converts speed even. So you just type in the number, it will convert it to whatever you want there. Then you've got weight, energy. Some of these are really complex ones, but some of them are dead easy. So let me just show you an easy one just as an example, so easy. Length. So if I put down 12 inches and I want it converted into feet, so that's 12 foot, that's how many inches, and so on and so on. It is instantly. So if I put that into inches, and 12 inches is exactly 1 foot, and so on and so on. Very easy to use. Time, temperature, you can see it's got everything you could possibly want. Brilliant little app, lightweight as I mentioned. And again, if you would like this one for free, please let me know in the comments. I'd greatly appreciate it. Fantastic app, enjoy. And now the next app. This app is free, or at least it was at the time of recording this video. It's an app to share your documents, photographs, in fact, anything you actually share. The default app on most Android phones is very, very average at best. In other words, let me show you. That's just an old photograph. If I want to share it, you press that button, of course, but you get all this stuff that sometimes you can actually pin them to the top, like here. I've pinned that already, but you cannot get rid of it, so it doesn't show. So I've got all these apps showing, which most of them, I'm never going to share it using that app ever. Let me show you another way of doing it. There's an app called Share DR. At the time of doing this, as I mentioned, it's free, fantastic, and that's my review here. Easy to use and should be installed by default. It really is a great app. And 4.2 ratings, and I'm going to install it. Takes a couple of seconds. And come on, very lightweight, doesn't need many permissions, and the permissions it needs are only to access your documents. It does not use the net, so it's very safe and secure if you're concerned about that, which most people, of course, are today. And come on, it should be loaded by now, and it is. So, and I'm going to basically, now I'm only going to use this. Press always. So now, when I press share, I get all the normal stuff that you had, but I can choose a theme. I'm going to have a dark theme. I prefer that. Oh, okay. So now, press that again. Now you can see I've got a dark theme, and I can share. Let me just show you firstly under the settings. I got a way I can change the display, which is very, very nice. These are all the apps, but I'm never going to share. Let's have a look with, find something I'm never going to use. Send, I'm never going to send something to Skype Lite. And I can hide it. I can pin it to the top. I can hide it. So if I just hide it, it's gone. And then you can narrow it down to have exactly how you want it to do. You don't have all these other things. It's a fantastic little app. Works on most, if not all, Android phones. Very good, highly recommended. And that's it. That's the last one for today. If you've enjoyed this video, please let me know. Add some comments. What else can I say? Oh, have a great and safe holiday, of course. Enjoy, and please subscribe and press the like button and press the notification. That's it.